Right, so once you've successfully logged into your MT4 trading platform, now remember you do your MT4, the platform, you should always download directly from your broker. Okay, don't go to the MetaTrade or the MetaQuotes website. Get it directly from your broker. Or if you are with a prop firm, you want to do a prop firm challenge, just download the platform directly from their website. Okay, and then they will give you the login details. And then the login details, obviously, you're going to need that to log into your MT4 trading platform. If you have a demo account with a broker, and say you wipe the account and you want to open a new demo account, which most brokers will allow you to open quite a few demo accounts, you're not going to download a new trading platform. You're just going to log in with your new login details over here. You're going to go to File, you're going to go to Login Trading Account, and here you're going to type in your login details, right? So it's the account number, the password, and then the server. So, and then you're just going to go to login, and then that will log you in on the new trading account. Okay, so the first thing is, like, when you've logged into your MT4, this is what you need to do. On your left-hand side, you'll see that there's something called a market watch. Okay, if you can't see it, it's this little icon over here. It's basically the third icon from the left-hand side. Okay, so if you click on that, you'll see it will disappear. If I click on it again, it will show the market watch. Now, on this market watch, to make sure that you have access to all the markets that's available through your broker, you need to just take your cursor over any one of these markets, you right-click, and then you click on Show All, right? Now it's going to show you all the markets that's available to trade through your specific broker. Now, if you want to remove some, say some people like to focus only on a handful of markets, say just the majors, and they don't really want to focus on everything else, then you can just manually right-click and click on Hide. So you just have to do that one by one. It's a bit of a tedious exercise, but you're just going to do that once, okay? And then you'll only be able to see the markets that you want to see. Okay. Now, another thing you can do is, once you've right-clicked and click on Show All, you can save this as a set. So let me just show you again. If you right-click and you go to Sets, then you can say Save As, and then you just say All Markets. So that will be saved as all markets. Now, if you just want to look at the majors, you're going to remove everything else apart from the majors. Okay, and then you are, or if you just want to focus on, say, all the pairs that contains the US dollar, and you want to get rid of everything else, you can do that by just removing every single market that does not contain the US dollar, and then you're going to save that again as, let's go to Save As, and then you can just save that as USD pairs. Save that as USD pairs. So if you want to open up one of those sets, you're just going to right-click, you're going to go here to the sets, and you're going to select one of the sets that you would like to have a look at. Okay? But the most important part here is to right-click and click on Show All, so that you can have access to all the markets that's available through your broker. Okay, so that's the market watch. Okay, so now that you've done that, if you look here on the chart, usually when you log in for the first time on your MT4 trading platform, you're going to get these 4 charts. Okay, it's typically split into quarters. So the first thing you really want to do is you just want to maximize any one of them. And now you'll have a full screen. And here, if you look at the bottom here, you'll see there are 4 different tabs. So each and every one of them will now be maximized. But obviously, you can only focus on one chart at a time. But this is really what you want to do. Okay? So I don't really like to look at the smaller version. If I just double-click on any one of them, it will just go back to the quarters. But I typically just look at one market at a time. So let me just maximize that. So this is what you'll see. When you just log into your trading platform and you've maximized the charts, you'll see this little grid in the background with a black background color. And then we are now on the candlestick charts. Okay? If you want to change between the candlesticks and, say, bar charts, over here, you see these little icons over here, you can see that the candlesticks, that little button is ticked in. So if you go to the left-hand side of that and you click on bar charts, then that will change those candles to bar charts. There's also another option, which is the line chart. Now, typically, you're not really going to use the line chart. The bar charts is not that popular. The most popular form or chart form is really, or chart type, is the candlesticks. Okay, so the main objective of this lesson really was just to make sure that you have access to all the markets. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize your charts.